Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw Goldilocks and the Three Bears, Part 2, Steaming Hot Porridge. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. There was Daddy Bear, he was the biggest. There was Mummy Bear, she was medium-sized. And there was Baby Bear, the smallest in the family. It was morning, and Daddy Bear was making porridge, while Mummy Bear made the beds, and Baby Bear set the table for breakfast. Let's start by drawing the 3 bears' breakfast table. About halfway down the page, we're going to draw a long, thin, lying down rectangle. This is the front edge of the table. So draw a very long side, a short side, and another very long side, and join it up with the short side. Then you can draw a standing up rectangle on each end of this to show the table legs. Starting on the corner, draw down, across the bottom and back up. And then the same from the other corner, straight down, across the bottom and back up. Now we can draw the other side of the table. It looks a bit strange like this, but it will make more sense when we add the lines that show the sides of the table. Because it's further away, it will look shorter in our drawing. So you need to start about here and finish about here. Make sure you leave enough room on your table for your 3 bowls of porridge. Then you can join these lines up with a nice straight edge to complete your table. Let's draw the bowls next. We're going to start with Daddy's bowl, which is the biggest bowl on the table. From this angle, the top of the bowl looks like a lying down oval. When you've drawn that, find the edge of your oval and draw a sloping line in across the bottom of the bowl and then slope back up to the other edge. You can do the same for Mummy Bear's bowl, but it needs to be a medium size. So draw a line down oval, slope in from the edge, straight across the bottom and slope back up. And then one more, a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Slope down, across the bottom and back up. The bears will need something to eat their porridge with, so let's draw 3 spoons. A big spoon for Daddy Bear, a middle-sized spoon for Mummy Bear, and a tiny little spoon for Baby Bear. You can start by drawing the handle, which is a very skinny little standing up rectangle. But instead of closing it at the top, start to draw out, up and over the round part of the spoon. Let's try that again for Mummy Bear's spoon. Down the long side, across the bottom, back up, and then up and over the round part of the spoon. And one more time for Baby Bear's spoon, but this time it needs to be really tiny. Straight down, across the bottom, back up, then out and up and over the round part of the spoon. There. When the porridge was cooked, Daddy poured it into the 3 bowls. We can show the porridge inside the bowl by drawing a wiggly line through the middle of each oval. Daddy Bear had a big bowl of porridge. Mummy Bear had a middle-sized bowl of porridge. And Baby Bear had a tiny little bowl of porridge. Their porridge is steaming hot, so draw 3 wavy lines going up to show the steam rising out of the porridge bowls. It is much too hot for the bears to eat. They will have to wait a bit or they will burn their tongues. Mummy Bear said, "I've got an idea. Let's go into the woods and find some berries to go in our porridge while it's cooling down."
"Good idea,"
said Daddy. "That sounds like fun," said the Baby Bear. So off they went. I wonder what's going to happen in part 3 of our story.